Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, in another video in my journey in building the most space-efficient non-permanent conversion kits for vans. And today, unfortunately, will be a little bit different because I haven't managed to finish a whole module today for this video. But I've already designed it in the computer and it looks like this. So next week we will assemble the kitchen and put it in here. It will come over here. And I haven't been able to finish this because I have another project in parallel. Let's put up this bench. Because I'm actually doing my master's thesis in architecture, currently parallel to FlowMobil. So it's my last big project in my architecture studies, and therefore I'm building a big mock-up, like a real size corner of a house. And this is quite a lot of work. And therefore I have a lot of material hooked up in a trailer to this van currently, and I had to take out the parts that I've already built to transport some materials in here as well. All of this you will see in the next video next week. And yes, so I'm really sorry I can't deliver a proper video today, but I will do so next week, and then we will at least see the finished kitchen, which has quite a lot of unique design features that I really like and that I'm proud of. So stay tuned for this one. But I at least want to answer a few questions in this video. So the main question is why I'm actually using this, well, cheap plywood. And I think this pine plywood is the ideal material because it's still very sturdy. It's not as sturdy as beech plywood, but well, that's overkill in my thoughts. And this is also a lot lighter, so less weight is always good in a van. And the material thickness I can reduce to 12 millimeters, which gains a lot of space compared to 15 or 18 millimeter material thickness that you would use with really very lightweight materials. And these very lightweight materials that are dedicated for van conversions is quite expensive, and as I want to get or want to be able to offer the best deal, the best value conversion kits, not the highest end conversion kits, not the lowest end. Well, I want to produce decent quality. All this furniture is really sturdy. With these finger joints it gets so stiff and sturdy. That's awesome, and still easy to assemble. So this convinces me that this is the right choice for my use case in building these conversion kits. And in the fronts I wanted to have a little cleaner look, and that's why I'm using this this material. I'm actually not sure what the English name is. It's eine Siebdruckplatte in German, and I think this gives it a little more nicer look and finish, and nice contrast to the pine plywood of the rest of the build. And for the kitchen countertop here I'm using bamboo because it's actually 30% harder than oak, and oak is pretty hard, and as this will be like a really used surface, I think this is the ideal material. You could use this also for kitchen countertops, but then it would be much thicker. And I'm actually thinking about going even 5 millimeter thinner in the next conversions to make it even lighter and cheaper, and the hardness at the top surface will be the same. So that's about the materials I use. So if you have any questions about what I'm doing here and what my goals are or anything, let me know that in the comments so I can answer these in the next videos. And till then, I hope you understand why I'm kind of in a timing struggle because of my master's thesis. And well, then see you in next week's video with an awesome kitchen module that's coming in the back. Thanks for watching, good luck with your projects, and see you in the next one.